Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. This is Areca channel, and today we will update the show of Vietnam Stock Market Great Opportunities. This is my contact. If you are interested in Vietnam stock market and you would like to open a legal trading account, please contact to my email or my telephone number. Okay, and today we will have some update for FPT. FPT is recent earning growth despite global slowdown, and FPT Corporate is a technology telecom conglomerate with a market-leading position in technology services and a top 3 market share in Vietnam broadband internet market. Driven by its globalization strategy, FPT has achieved an international revenue CAGR of 20% over the last 3 years. And today we will come to the update 9 months 2022 of FPT Corporation, and this is earning report. Source FPT, it made from FPT Corporation, and this document has been prepared by FPT Corporation and its subsidiaries for the purpose of setting out certain information in respect of FPT's business activities in the period stated. This document may contain forward-looking statements that reflect management's current view with respect to the future development of FPT Corporation as well as its subsidiaries. The outlook is based on estimates and expectations that we have made on the basis of all the information we have at this point in time. In addition, such as forward-looking statements are subject to risks and uncertainties, which may cause actual results to differ materially. The document intended for the reference of the specified recipients only. It is strictly forbidden or share or distribute this document or any part thereof in any form, manner without a period consent of FPT Corporation. And the financial performance in 9 months 2022. FPT's business performance in 9 months of 2022 continued to grow at more than 20% rate, surpassing all the guidance. It's really great results for 9 months 2022. For the FPT's revenue, its growth 24.1% from 24,953 climbed to 30,975, and FPT's profit before tax growth increasing 23.8% from 5,575 increased to 5,665, and equity profit after tax growth 28.3%. It's growth from 3,785 to 4,856. Yeah, it's a billion Vietnam dong. It's really great results for 9 months 2022, and we will come to aim toward creating value and ensuring interest for our shareholder. PAT to parent company shareholder 9 months 2021 is 3,031 billion Vietnam dong to 3,943 billion Vietnam dong, increasing 30.1%, and the EPS growth really impressive. It is grow from 2,785 Vietnam dong to 3,605 Vietnam dong. EPS growth 29.5%. It's really impressing. And performance by business sector. As we already know, equity, there are three core sectors that help equity growth for long term. It is a technology. It is a telecommunication. It is education, investment, and others. Yes, and the technology revenue 57%, and telecommunication 35%, and education, investment, and the other 8%. And PBT by sector, the technology 47%, telecommunication 38%, and education, investment, and the other 15%. PBT mean profit before tax. Yeah. So with this, we can see the other have a PBT much bigger than for the revenue. The growth 24% growth, really good, and the margin profit is bigger than the technology. You can see the different compare revenue to PBT. We can see that the margin profit of the other sector is bigger than technology, and the telecommunication is bigger. The profit margin really good. But when we look at the growth growth PBT and growth of revenue on the sector are growth 24.1%, but this time in 2022 growth the PBT is 25.7%. Yes, really good. Okay, to the next slide. Global IT service and domestic IT service. A global IT service, the revenue growth now 29.4%, and the profit before tax growth 27.6%. Domestic IT service revenue increase 10%, and the profit before tax increase 16.5%. Okay, for the telecom service, the revenue plus 16.1%, and profit before tax increasing 20.5%. Great. And the online advertising plus revenue plus 37.7% in revenue, and the profit before tax 31.2% in PBT, profit before tax. The education investment and the revenue plus 7%, and profit before tax plus increase 24%. Is really a good view for the revenue, but the profit before tax still growth with high number, but it is lower than the revenue. But the online advertising really impressive. So I think in the future the online advertising will be growing up more. Really good. To the global IT service, sustained high growth rate. Revenue continue to increase in all markets, especially in the US, with 42.4%, and APAC plus 56.4%, and Japan market saw rapid recovery with the revenue growth 12% despite weakening GPY. Yen. Revenue from digital transformation reached 5,294 billion Vietnam dong, up by 34% year-over-year, focusing on new technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, data analysis, blockchain. Revenue market, we can see the Japan with 39%, and the US with 33%, and Euro 8%, and the other Asian Pacific, okay, APAC with 20%. The DX revenue growth 34% compared to 9 months 2021 to 9 months 2022. Okay, for the next slide, global IT services, 18 large deals of $5 million. 9 months of 2022, APT recorded various orders from global clients, including 18 projects with a scale of over $5 million. Signed revenue reached 16,799 billion Vietnam dong, increased 42.6% year-over-year, heading towards the $1 billion milestone by the end of this year. Signed revenue, we can see it's grow 42.6%, and clients with revenue higher than $1 million growth from 85 to 115. 9 months 2021 compared to 9 months 2022, a growth 21.1%. And the deals, semi-mega deals, mega deals, large deal, mega deals, okay, it's plus from 73 to 106, increasing for 45.2%. It's really good number, shows up, right? Okay, for the domestic IT services maintained positive growth. Domestic IT services maintain positive growth. Domestic IT service reached 4,263 billion Vietnam dong, increased 10% year-over-year in revenue, and 425 billion Vietnam dong, increased 16.5% year-over-year in profit before tax, as we can see on the chart here. And the Made by APT continue strong growth momentum. Made by APT products record 658 billion Vietnam dong in revenue, and up by 48.3% year-over-year. We can see on the chart compared to 9 months 2021 to 9 months 2022. Telecom service expand profit margin. Yes, we can see in the charts from the beginning, telecom service revenue record double-digit growth with 16.1%, reach 10,243 billion Vietnam dong. Profit margin expanded from 18.1% to 18.8%, thanks to profit growth from pay TV segment. Yeah, broadband the other. For the pay TV segment means we can see the advertising. Yes, TV advertising of the telecom service. Okay, education, high growth amid global IT labor shortage. The education segment continued to see strong revenue growth from a growth of 47%, reaching 3,104 billion Vietnam dong in 9 months 2022. It's really great and impressing me. 47% growth. for education. Business highlight and award: Asia Money, Asia most outstanding company. Asia Money, the leading economic and financial magazines in Asia, has just published the list of most prominent companies in Asia 2022. Asia Outstanding Companies Poll 2022, in which APT was honored in 2 categories, by market and by field of operation. APT has been named in critical categories of the Asia Money Awards for the second time. APT become LTS Inc. strategy shareholder. October 13, 2022, APT announced its investment in Japanese business consulting service provider LTS Inc. become its strategic shareholder. The investment is expected to help APT strengthen its capabilities in Japan's consulting industry and targets more double-digit million-dollar deals. Okay, Asia Money. Okay, so that's all for the update. APT update, 9 months earning report, supplied by APT Corporation. So I hope you have a value information for the APT opportunities to investment in Vietnam stock market, and please subscribe, share my channel this to receive more great video. Thank you.